For the first method, we're going to head over to search and type in Task Manager. Click on it. Once you're on it, you want to make sure that your CPU, memory and disk are not above 90. If it's above 90, then it will turn red. If one of them is still very high, then you want to click on it. So for example, I'm using 49% memory, so I clicked on memory, and now all the applications that are using the most memory are going to show up. And then you just want to close all of them that you don't need. So the way to close it is by clicking on it and then click on End Task. You could also head over to Details, and then you can close everything here that you don't need as well. Right click on it and then click on End Process Tree. Also, if you find the game that you want to play, you want to right click on the game and then click on Set Priority and then make it high. And then click on Change Priority. For the next method, you want to click on Shift, Control, Windows key and B at the same time. This will restart your graphics card drivers and your screen will go black for about 2 seconds and it will restart your drivers, and then see if that works. If your screen is still black, then you want to click on Control, Alt and Delete on your keyboard and then click on Task Manager when the blue screen comes up. But if your screen is not black anymore, then you just want to head over to search and type in Task Manager. Click on it. Once you're on it, you want to look for Windows Explorer and then click on Restart Task. You might need to scroll down to find it, or you could just type it right here, Windows Explorer. Click on it and then click on Restart Task. For the next method, we're going to head over to search and type in powercfg.cpl and click on enter. Once you're on it, you want to select high performance or ultra high performance if you have that. If you don't see it, then you want to click on the arrow right here and it might say it here. If it still doesn't say it, then click on create a power plan and then it might say it here, and then click on next, follow all the steps and you should be able to enable it. But if you can't, then just stay on balanced. But anyway, once you do that, we're going to head over to change plan settings and then click on change advanced power settings. And then we want to open up PCI Express and then open up link state power management. And then you want to change this to off and then click on OK. For the next method, head over to search and then type in game mode settings. Click on it. Once you're on it, make sure that this is actually turned off. A lot of people recommend it to be on, but some people say that it causes a black screen. So turn it off, see if that works. If it doesn't work, then you could just turn it back on. For the next method, we're going to head over to search and type in services. Click on it. Once you're on it, you want to right click on app readiness and then make sure that it's stopped. If it's grayed out, it means it's stopped. Or you could head over to properties and then it says right here, service status stopped. Make sure it's on stopped. If it's not, then right click on it and then click on stop. For the next method, we're going to head over to search and type in device manager. Click on it. Then we're going to open up display adapters and then right click on our graphics card, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. If the best version has already been installed, we're going to go back and click on browse my computer for drivers and then click on let me pick from a list. And then you want to select the second one and click on next and see if that works for you. After you finish all the steps in the video, restart your computer and that should fix the problem. But if the problem is not fixed, it might just be an issue with your computer specs or the game itself. Try to uninstall the game and reinstall it and see if that works. To do that, head over to search and type in add or remove programs, click on it. And then you want to scroll down and look for the game and then click on the 3 dots, click on uninstall and then click on uninstall again and then download it again and see if that works.